Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the bullets and putting them into pairing mode. This is crucial because the headset uses a single active Bluetooth link at a time. First, make sure the bullets have decent charge. Low battery can block multi-device switching. Then enable Bluetooth on the first device and keep it visible. Hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes and pair device now so you have a primary connection established. Once device is paired and actively connected, you can add a second device. The bullets support multi-point-like switching, but often manage 2 remembered devices. Leave the bullets powered and connected to device A, then enable Bluetooth on device B and scan. Select OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 from the list. If device B asks to pair, accept. Make sure not to disconnect device A manually. Once device B pairs the bullet to switch, you generally pause audio on one device and start playback on the other. The bullets will usually switch to the active audio source. If switching fails, reconnect by turning Bluetooth off and on, or forget and repair both devices in sequence. Pair device A first, then device B. If problems persist, clear Bluetooth cache, reboot phones, and check for firmware updates on the bullets. This fixes most compatibility issues and ensures stable multi-device behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.